Taking the chairlift up the mountain saves time getting to the top. Using skis to get down the mountain is faster than walking and is much more fun. ChatGPT allows you to quickly and easily create professional level videos which will take your content to the next level. In this video, I show you 3 highly effective ways on how to use ChatGPT's AI-powered brain to make your video production easier and faster. Have you ever stared at a blank computer screen trying to come up with new video ideas? When you use ChatGPT's AI-powered brain, you can automate this task and generate a bunch of video ideas within a few seconds. I asked ChatGPT to list out 10 video ideas on how to get more views on YouTube. Let's see what it's got.
How-to tutorial videos on a specific topic or skill that is popular or in demand. Product reviews and unboxings, especially if you can offer unique insights or demonstrate the product in action. Q&A or Ask Me Anything videos where viewers can submit questions for you to answer, etc.
The beauty of using this AI-powered brain to generate video ideas for future videos is that it automates the task and gets it done within a few seconds. Make sure you keep watching to the end because later I'm going to give you a huge tip on how to get even better output from ChatGPT. If I'm not happy with these 10 ideas, I can ask it to give me 10 more.
Give me 10 more. Share your own tips and tricks or hacks for a specific task or problem that many people face. Create a day-in-the-life video that shows what your typical day looks like and offers behind-the-scenes look at your life or work, etc.
This means you can automate repetitive tasks like coming up with new video ideas, creating a video script, or coming up with new video titles, which I'll show you later. Instead of spending hours trying to write a video script or trying to come up with different video titles, you can use ChatGPT to save a ton of time. I asked ChatGPT to list out 10 titles for how to get more views on YouTube. Here's what it generated.
10 proven strategies to boost your YouTube views. How to increase your YouTube view count, a step-by-step guide. Maximizing YouTube views, expert tips and tricks. The ultimate guide to getting more views on YouTube, etc.
As you can see, it certainly speeds up the task of generating a bunch of new video titles, and it does an even better job than my own brain. If I want to improve on any of these titles, I can ask ChatGPT to fix it.
Fix this title, 10 proven strategies to boost YouTube views. It gave me 10 strategies to increase YouTube views backed by research. Another option was 10 tested methods for enhancing YouTube viewership.
Let me know in the comments below how you will use ChatGPT to speed up the task of making videos. It usually takes me hours to write a video script because I have to do the research ahead of time, and usually the script is full of errors. Let's see how fast and accurate ChatGPT is when it comes to writing a video script.
I decided to use the title that ChatGPT gave me, 5 creative ideas for increasing your YouTube views. So I asked it to write a script for a video titled 5 creative ideas for increasing your YouTube views.
Let's see what it's got.
Are you looking for ways to get more eyes on YouTube videos? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing you 5 creative strategies for increasing your YouTube views. First up, we have the power of collaboration. Partnering with other YouTubers in your niche can be a great way to expose your channel to a new audience.
Notice how fast it's created this video script, much faster than what I can do myself. As you can see, the sentence structure is perfect and includes proper punctuation and grammar. What if I want to summarize the script that ChatGPT created for me and use it as a description for my video?
Summarize the script.
Within a few seconds, ChatGPT summarized the script that it created for me, so I can possibly use this for the description of the video. What if you're struggling to come up with attention-grabbing hooks for the beginning of your video? Can ChatGPT help? Let's ask ChatGPT. Give me 10 ideas for attention-grabbing hooks for the first 10 seconds of a video titled How to Get More Views on YouTube.
Want to skyrocket your views on YouTube? Here's the secret formula you need to know. Tired of low view counts on your videos? Learn the top strategies for boosting views now. Discover the little-known hacks that top YouTubers use to get millions of views.
As you can see, ChatGPT came up with 10 attention-grabbing hooks within a few seconds. Now keep in mind that other people, probably thousands, are using ChatGPT to create video scripts, titles, video topics, etc. Instead of using the exact script that ChatGPT produces, try to include some of your own unique takes on the topic. For example, you can include some of your own experiences, case studies, and examples. This will help differentiate your video from other videos that are using the same script. If you want to learn more ways on how to use ChatGPT to make better videos, watch a video on the screen right now titled Unlock 5 Creative Ways to Use ChatGPT to Make Better Videos.